Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix this problem. No bootable devices found on your Dell laptops, and this would work for other versions. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on F2 so that you can go to the BIOS system. So when you click on F2, I want us to come closer here. So what you see on general settings, you're going to click on boot sequence. And the other side, I want you to check on internal HD drive. So I want you to apply here. So this will fix our problem. So when you quit and restart, your laptop will be able to boot from the hard drive. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon, comment, share, so that this video can help more people. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.